You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this, I know, confusing word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, by the way, more correct pronunciation, stay tuned. Two pronunciations there are in English. The more common one is the one for the verb, and it's pronounced in English as initiate. Yes, it's not a T, it's not initiate or initiate. No, initiate. Initiate. That's for the verb. Now, the only moment where it's not going to be pronounced initiate if it's a noun. This also exists as a noun, not as a verb. If you say uninitiate, well, it's not going to be initiate, it's going to be initiate. Initiate. That's if it's a noun. But if you're talking about the verb, as in I initiate an action, it's always going to be initiate. English pronunciation, how to pronounce initiate, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.